Alright, so today picked up this Milwaukee M12 kit. This is the M12 3/8 drive. I'll go ahead and open it. Impact wrench kit. Comes with two M12 batteries, a charger, and the 3/8 drill. That's the battery. There's a battery in that one. Supposed to have a gauge. There you go. Okay, so it has 2 bars on it, so it's not very charged. Let's see what the other battery shows. It's going to be the same too. 2 out of 4. So what we're going to do today is, well, I'll go ahead and show you what else I got with it. I got a 1/4 inch M12 hex impact driver. It is, I believe it's brushless. No, maybe it's not. Maybe this is the brushed version. But anyways, I just picked these up. I ordered them on Home Depot. Got them for $199. Want to test them out. I want to see if this will really take off my lug nuts like they say it will. So I don't know what size the lug nut's going to be. I just got home, so I brought home my 1/2 inch impact sockets, 3/8 to a 1/2 inch, and we're going to go test it out, see if it'll work. So let's go outside in the garage. Just close the doors behind us, please.
Yes, sir.
I guess we'll do this back wheel. You can see the truck's probably wet still. You can see the water on the ground.
I can kind of see the glimmer.
Okay. Well, it's got a LED light comes on it. So we're gonna get down here, and first thing we got to do is take off this cover. So I've got
We had a bit more lighting in here.
a screwdriver here. You can turn on the flash if you want to. Will it let you?
It doesn't.
It may
look
not.
like it. No.
Okay. Let's see if I can get this off. There we go. Alright. Put that back up. Let's see. That looks like. Okay. My son hit stop on accident, so that's okay. We're checking to see. This is the right lug nut. And that looks like it is 7/8 is what it's going to be. So let us line this up here. Okay, it is on reverse. So here we go. We're going to no, it's not going to do it. Let's see if we can take off another one. No, it's not happy. It don't want to do it. So now it's down to one. So maybe we need to charge it and try it out again some other time. So we'll do that. Okay, so we might have messed up earlier. We were trying to take the lug nut off the truck, and I realized that we have 2 power settings here. We have 1 and 2. I had it on power setting 1, and the battery was dead. We've had time for the battery to charge down here on the charger. So let's go try it. Come on. It's dark. All right. The wife's vehicle's here now. So. Alright. So I have to take this off again. Come closer. There you go. Okay. Alright, so we're showing a full battery now. Should be able to see that. And we're gonna try to take off one of these lug nuts. Hey, took it off. Let's put it back on. Let's try another one. I guess I'm not going to take that one off, but it did one, so I'm pretty shocked about that. We'll try one more. Let's see the fuel gauge. We're down to 3 already, so still on power setting 2. There it goes. Well, see, it'll take off every other one. So I bet if I held on that other one, it would keep it going. Still got 3 bars, still on power setting 2. So that's it. Thanks.